Hello pupils. Today we will discuss about one component of our computer. As you can see in the picture here, this is the picture of our computer, and we will talk about the component mouse. Today we will talk about the component mouse and what can we do with the mouse. So a small question. Tap on the hot spot. Hot spot means the red one, to identify parts of the computer system. So, which part is the mouse? We must click on the red circle found near it. So the mouse is this one, and the red circle near it is this.
Mouse.
For grade 1 and grade 2 pupils, they must know how to draw a mouse and write its word. So let me draw a mouse. First you draw an oval. Then in the middle you draw a curve like this, and in the middle you draw another small oval. Here's your mouse, and you can draw a small wire. This is the picture of your mouse. Now the pupil must also know how to write the word mouse. So let's do it together. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Again, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Again, another time. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now let's observe the features of the mouse. That is, what are the main buttons found in our mouse? We have three main buttons. First, we have the left button, then the right button, and then we have the scroll button, or we can say also scroll wheel. How will you know which one is the left button and which one is the right button? You can know it by observing the direction of your mouse. The left button will be in the same direction as your left hand, and the right button will be in the same direction as your right hand. So let's view a small video together. So this is our mouse. This is left button. This is right button.
and this is our scroll wheel.
What can we do with our mouse? The first function is to click on an object. Now, what do we mean by to click? To click means to press on the left button of the mouse. So let's view an example together.
Next, if I tell you to click on Home tab, therefore you take your mouse, you move it till you reach home and click. Click means to press on the left button. Therefore, to click on home, you bring your mouse near home and press on the left button.
The next function is to double click on an object. You can often hear the question, double click on the icon to open the program. So what do we mean by double click? Double click means to press on the left button of your mouse 2 times. So let's view an example again of how we use double click. For example, if I want to open this document, I must double click on it, and
For double click, you press on it twice. 1, 2.
here your document will open. What can we do more by using our mouse? We can right click on the screen. So what is right click? It means to press on the right button of your mouse. Here, this is the right button of your mouse. So let's see what can we observe when we right click on our screen.
Right click means to press on the right button of the mouse. And when you press on the right button of your mouse, you obtain a list of options.
Another function is to drag and drop objects to different locations of our computer. For example, I ask you to drop a picture in a folder. So how will you do it? First, you must click on the picture. You continue to hold the left button, and when you bring your mouse on the folder, you just drop it. So let's go through an example. The question is to drop the picture. The mouse to the folder Mouse Activity. Therefore, I click on Mouse. I move my mouse till I reach the folder Mouse Activity, and then I release the mouse. It automatically moves to the folder. Let's see it. Here is your picture, the mouse. This is the concept of drag and drop. You can drag a file to a folder, or you can drag it to another location here. So we have seen what can we do with the left button of the mouse, the right button of the mouse. So what can we do with the scroll wheel? We use the scroll wheel to move up or down a document or any program you are playing on your screen. Let's view an example together.
How do we use scroll wheel? For example, in this document we have 3 pages. I am on page 1. If I want to move to page 2, we can use scroll wheel. You take your mouse and you move your scroll wheel down. We move it down, and at the same time your page will move down.